Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you the wellness app that I have created using Gemini Pro. So let's see how does it work. This is the app that I have designed using Python, and for UI I have used Streamlit. Okay, so if you see, actually you can see the code here. This is my Python code and I have run the code, and after running this is the output that I'm getting in the browser. So what is this exactly? Fine. So okay, the first thing, there are two tabs you can see. There is a nutrition calculator tab and there is a diet planner. So let's see how the nutrition calculator works. When you click on the nutrition calculator, it asks you to upload the image. So what you can do is, whenever you go out somewhere and you want to know the calories in that particular food, what you can do is you can click the photo of that particular plate and you can upload that image. So let's say I've downloaded some images. I'll just browse the file and I'll select one particular image. I'll say open, and once this particular image is opened over here, I can click on the button called as calculate nutrition value. Here this is Gemini Pro. So here you can see like the app is getting executed. Let's wait, and our Gemini, that is Gemini Pro, tells us what all is there in our photo. Okay, in that image, this is what it has recognized, and it will show you the serving size, total calories, protein. So everything is calculated and shown to you in a form of a table. Okay, fine. Next is, suppose you want to plan the diet. So what are the different diets that you can go for? Healthy diet, it can be vegetarian, it can be non-vegetarian, it can be vegan or keto. So let's go for vegan and say plan my diet. Just wait for the result, and see here you can see the breakfast for the vegan diet. It is showing you some tips, it's giving you some tips: breakfast, lunch and dinner. So that's all about my app. If you are interested in this particular app, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.